Hello everyone, I am Tanmay and this is Arya. We are from Excel Public School, Mysuru. Muscle and joint pain are very common problems for people of all ages. Many people use hot packs or ice packs for relief. These methods help reduce pain, swelling and improve blood flow.
But there's a problem. Most devices in the market can only do one thing, either heating or cooling, not both. And very few of them can control temperatures automatically or are easy to carry around.
We reached out to student athletes and senior citizens to learn what truly matters in a comfort device. Their experiences led to Thermacool, a solution designed around real people and real problems.
This is Thermacool, a smart dual mode heating and cooling pad for joint pain relief. Unlike regular therapy pads, Thermacool combines three different technologies: temperature sensing, intelligent control, and dual mode therapy, all in one portable design.
Thermacool is a compact Arduino control device that can both heat and cool, depending on what the user needs. It works using a Peltier module and a heating element controlled through a MOSFET circuit, and a temperature feedback loop by an Arduino Nano. This makes Thermacool not just effective but also highly adaptable. The same core system can be scaled for other applications like sports recovery, physiotherapy clinics, or even wearable wellness products.
Here's how it works. The user can choose from three available modes: heating, cooling, or auto heating and cooling mode, using three small switches. A DS18B20 temperature sensor keeps checking the thermal pad's temperature all the time and sends the data to the Arduino Nano. And the Arduino Nano then controls the MOSFET, which powers the Peltier module or the resistive heating element to reach and maintain the target temperature, for example, 10 degrees Celsius for cooling or 45 degrees Celsius for heating.
As part of our trial run, we invited a faculty member who experiences persistent knee pain to test Thermacool. We were thrilled to see how much comfort and relief it provided.
The beauty of Thermocool lies in its simplicity and versatility. It can be customized for different body parts, scaled up for medical therapy centers, or made battery powered for outdoor use.
So, Thermacool gives you both heat and cold therapy in one small smart device. It's efficient, portable, and easy to use. Perfect for anyone looking for quick and comfortable joint pain relief.